Hello everyone. Now Chem-intellect app is live, it's on right here. So when you click on the app on your Android phone, so it's loading right now. It's all about understanding your chemical world. So right now there's the first page you see. So we have different chemistry about different things. We have a bread making, so it's swiping off. You can click on the image so to read it very well, to be bold. Then we have introduction to chemistry. So you have a lot of things about chemistry. You need to have the introduction to it first. Those are the history of chemistry, what chemistry is about, and some other stuff. So you have to read it there. The father of chemistry and who is chemistry on his own. You feel me? So you have the amazing chemistry experiments. Can you feel me? Just watch some few experiments there. And this is a menu page. So you have Chem Network. Wow. Where chemists connect, where chemists see each other. Where they discuss. Like, it's an interactive forum, way to meet new people, discussion, drop your topic, let us discuss about it. So we have, this is the back end. This is my own page where I see everybody there. I can see your profile and stuff like that. So this way I can see everybody's profile, but no privacy policy on it. So next is the elements and its properties. So this is where you have the periodic table. It's loading right now. We have a periodic table. We have elements and their properties, their valence number, the oxidation number, a lot of things on that page. Right? It's not a little bit bold. It's not that bold actually, but when you bring the phone more closer, you'll be able to see them. A lot of things, instead of just cramming them, you have them on the app. And these are the ionization energy, the trend, the periodicity, and atomic radius, their properties, all their properties inside. SPDF, everything is just listed here. So it's quite easy. So now you have the Royal Chemistry, the Royal Society of Chemistry. Wow, that's where you can get updates about the new development, about what is new in the chemical world. Wow, so we have the Royal Society of Chemistry right here. So you can smart bomb materials, stuff like that. So a few stories, chemistry of a quarry. Wow. When you click on that, when you click and read about the updates, you can produce quarry on your own. You feel me? So it's a privilege. So on this same app, you can be a member of the Royal Society of Chemistry. Now I'm a member, so I have opportunity to watch, to see updates that are research, to listen to podcasts, webinars by professionals, professors and professionals in the chemical world. Now we have Chempreneurs and the blog. So this is the blog. It's loading. Sorry for the pop-up radius. You can cancel it like that. So this is Chem-intellect's blog. That's intellect.blogspot.com. So this is the blog. Instead of using your Chrome, it is on the app. So you can just get our updates right from the blog. So I'm trying to click on the menu so I can show you how you can download the app. If you are watching us on YouTube right now, I can show you how to download the app. So you can download Chem-intellect app right on the blog. So let's go back to Chempreneurs. I see list of entrepreneurs in chemistry. But these are the list of people we have right now in the University of Ibadan, though we still accept more adverts. So there is a way you can place your advert on the app. Right on these Chempreneurs, you can just scroll down a little bit. Just scroll down. Yeah, so we have FemTech, repairs phones, and this is La Africa. Wow, dishwashing soap. You see, soap is original. You have Bee Foods, where you order for foods and they get it to you. So this is how you can advertise your product. So just click on that button, advert placements. Then you see where you can drop your information. Then we have bedbug. This is SB Trade, man, where you fumigate your whole bedbug issue. You have entrepreneurs in the chemical world. Be a producer and be a chemist also. Be an entrepreneur. So see how chemistry can in line with the chemical world. Feel me? So this is the blog. Yeah, it's loading. Let's see. Okay. yeah, so you can watch some videos on that same app. Like, it's amazing. Okay, let's look at this. I want to learn kinetics. No, let me learn electrochemistry. Let me watch some videos. There's chemistry videos and lectures. Let's see what's going. Let me see what will teach me today. Oh, I'm tired of classes. I don't want to go to class. Oh, I should go to class. I just want to learn something online. I don't understand what they're teaching me in my class. I just go to Chem-intellect app and watch videos. Introduction to the chemistry. Wow, it's loading. The network is kind of slow right here. It's gonna load. Wow, so I can watch a video right on that same app without going to YouTube app, without using the YouTube app. Then now we have the Kahoot online game, the online quiz. Here you can play some quiz and win amazing prizes. Don't worry, we have the back end right here, so we can see how you guys are playing and the highest. So we have the accuracy and the scores. Why I have percent, it shows percent on which questions you guys lose. Like, people lose a lot. I'll see everything, then make corrections and get back to everybody. So it's quite simple. So we have okay, now I'll put my nickname. Okay, now please let me type please. Let me use a code name, admin, so I will know when I'm trying to get a lot of feedback. So I have a back end, so everything is being under control. Everything is under control, so we can watch them. So currently this is just a demo. So the game is open for 21 days, 4 hours. Though we're going to correct everything immediately before we launch the app. That's January 1st, 2020. It's just 2 days to this time before we launch the app. So we edit everything again. So admin is now live, so we can play the quiz. Chem-intellect quiz. 1, 3, 2, 1, boom. So this is the game. What is the atomic number of chlorine? Then it's loading. So this is the next page. Let's see. So this is a membership request form. So if you want to be a member of Chem-intellect, so you can just fill the form. I will get back to you as soon as possible, because all information you put down here, we get them, so we'll get back to you. So if you want to be a member, an online member, an offline member, where we have our meeting and stuff like that, you can just fill the form. If you want to be an online member, we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let me give you a trial. Let's show you how it works. My name is Tunde. Fill it up. Let me just put an address. Okay, let me just write 12. Okay, no. Let me put the number so you don't get confused. So put your address. Your email address is very, very compulsory, because that's the only way. That's the best way we can get back to you. Your mobile number, if possible your WhatsApp number. I think that's much better, so we can get back to you as soon as possible. Membership options. Okay, you want to be a silver member, you want to be a gold member. That's just so let me just put gold. So let's see, that's how interested you are. So why don't you be a Chem-intellect member? Okay, I want to learn something. Okay, I want to learn that. Submit the form. We'll get it on our own page, on my email immediately when you just submit it. Oh damn, it's right on my phone right now. So I have it on my phone already. Then you can contact us right on the app. If there's any suggestion or anything you feel you think we should add to the app that will make people learn, you can just contact us and give us a suggestion. Okay, you don't like this page you need to remove it, you don't want it there. Why you don't want it there, and you just want to get to us and you want to know what's in our mind and stuff like that. So this is a privacy policy. So any information you're dropping on Chem Network, don't worry, it's secured. It's 100% secured and Google approved. So privacy policy is cool. So let's go back to the Chem-intellect. Let's see the blog. It was not open before. Okay, so you can now download the app on Chem-intellect blog site. So you can just click on download app. But currently, as at today is 31st and 30th of December 2019, you can't download the app. So immediately when the app is launched, that's January 1st, you can download it. So these are chem entrepreneurs. So we're advertising them. It's just for us to promote chemistry entrepreneurs, stuff like that. If you want to place your adverts, you can just get back to us on the contact page. You can subscribe to the website so you get updates. If you want to subscribe to it, you want to get updates immediately as it's coming, immediately after publishing, it gets to your mail immediately. So you can subscribe to the blog site. So using Feedburner, so we've secured Feedburner there, so it gives you updates immediately. So you need to verify. We actually know you're not a robot, but it's necessary to just verify it. Yeah, not a robot. So just answer these few questions by Google. Script capture. So to verify immediately. So after this question, I should be verified. It doesn't take time though. It's quite frustrating, but it doesn't take time. So boom, verify. So I'm not a robot. So I can just complete my subscription right here. Oh, let's pop up again. Cool. So email subscription request is successful. So immediately when I publish on the blog site, you get updates immediately on the website or your email address. So it's all about understanding your chemical world. So welcome to Chem-intellect. Society in University of Ibadan. So really hope you guys enjoy the app. Thank you, and thank you for watching.